Does TCL Smart TV have Roku? Yes, many TCL Smart TVs come with Roku built in, and these models are referred to as TCL Roku TVs. Roku TV is a popular smart TV platform that provides a user-friendly interface for streaming content, accessing a wide variety of apps, and watching TV. TCL has partnered with Roku to integrate the Roku operating system, OS, into its TVs, making it one of the primary smart TV operating systems for TCL. 1. TCL Roku TV Models. TCL Roku TVs come with Roku OS built into the TV, providing access to a wide selection of streaming apps, channels, and services like Netflix, Hulu, YouTube, Disney+, and more. The Roku Channel Store allows users to browse and install thousands of apps, from streaming platforms to news, sports, and entertainment apps. 2. How to use Roku on TCL Smart TV. Using Roku on a TCL Smart TV is easy and intuitive. Here's how you can get started. Step 1. Set up the TV and connect it to the internet, either via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Step 2. When you turn on the TV, you'll be greeted by the Roku home screen. Step 3. Navigate through the Roku menu using the remote, select streaming channels, and browse the Roku Channel Store for apps you want to install. Step 4. Install apps for popular streaming services like Netflix, Prime Video, Hulu, and more, and start watching your favorite content. Third, TCL TVs without Roku, Google TV, Android TV, etc. While TCL Roku TVs are the most common models, TCL also produces Google TV models and Android TV models that do not come with Roku. These models provide a different operating system and interface, but they still offer a wide range of streaming services and apps. However, the primary distinction is that these models use the Google Play Store for app installation, not the Roku Channel Store. Fourth, Roku features on TCL Smart TVs. Roku on TCL Smart TVs comes with several features, such as Roku Channel Store, thousands of apps and channels for streaming video, music, and live TV. Roku Voice Search. You can use the Roku Remote or the Roku mobile app to search for content using voice commands. Roku Remote. Easy-to-use remote that includes dedicated buttons for streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, and Disney+. Private Listening. Use the Roku mobile app to listen to content via Bluetooth-connected headphones. Screen. Mirroring. Cast content from mobile devices using Miracast or Apple AirPlay. TCL Smart TVs with Roku built in provide an easy, convenient way to access a wide variety of streaming content via the Roku OS. These models offer a streamlined user interface, access to thousands of channels, and support for features like voice search, private listening, and screen mirroring. For TCL TVs that don't come with Roku, you can explore Google TV or Android TV models for similar streaming functionality.